Welcome back, crypto explorers. In just 2 minutes, let's break down a fundamental concept in crypto coins versus tokens. What's the difference and why does it matter? Let's start with coins. Coins are native to their own blockchains. Think Bitcoin on the Bitcoin blockchain or Ether on Ethereum's blockchain. They're mainly used as currency, store of value, or to pay transaction fees on their networks. Now, tokens are built on top of existing blockchains, mostly Ethereum. They use the infrastructure of that blockchain but can serve any purpose from governance to gaming to stable coins. Coins require blockchain development from scratch. Tokens? Just deploy a smart contract much easier and faster. That's why most crypto projects start as tokens, they're simpler and cheaper to launch. Think of coins, it's like a country's native currency, like dollars in the US. And tokens are like tickets in a theme park. They work inside a specific environment but are built on top of the country's economy. Knowing the difference helps you understand project potential, risks, and how blockchain ecosystems work. Next time someone says, I bought a coin, ask, was it really a coin? Or just a token? That's your 2 minute breakdown on coins versus tokens. Want more quick crypto explainers? Hit like button, do subscribe, and share this meaningful video about crypto updates. And leave a comment if you want more videos about crypto market. Thanks for watching.